and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick review on, I'm going to be reviewing Clarins Skin Illusion Foundation. And Clarins gifted me 4 of their Skin Illusion foundations, and I was ecstatic that I was getting 4 and that I was going to be able to try them for you guys and make a review on them. I've been trying their foundations for the past week, and I have to say that I love them, and I'm going to tell you why I love them. Because one, it feels like you have no makeup on. It's like barely there foundation, and it's natural, and you're taking care of your skin at the same time while you're applying this foundation. I like it because it's very lightweight, and this is a great product for those women like myself that are busy and we still like to, you know, wear a little bit of makeup, but not like to be totally done up. And this is a great product for that. So I'm going to be showing you the different shades that I received, and these are, I believe, 4 of their darkest shades. I decided to go with these because I am a little bit, you know, tan. And I had seen another person review these, and I was like, okay, I think I'm under that palette. So I'm very happy with the colors for my skin type. They are pretty good. So I've been wearing the coffee, which I was surprised because I thought I was going to be sienna, I think it's called. Let me see. No, I'm sorry. Hazelnut. I thought I was going to be hazelnut, but I'm not. I'm actually wearing coffee. So yeah, I've been wearing this for the past week. I really like it. The only thing that I'm not too happy about is that I wore it the other day to like go out, and I was sweating a lot. So I felt like it kind of like rubbed off. That's the only thing. So I wouldn't wear it like to go out. This is more like everyday wear, but definitely do wear it to work. So as far as that goes, I wouldn't wear this to like a night out where you're gonna be like dancing and sweating a lot. So yeah, keep that in mind when you are wearing this product. But other than that, I think that the texture is amazing. I love that it's oil based, and I love that it's non-greasy, and when you set it, it doesn't even feel like it has like oils. So that's another thing that I really like, because I've tried other products that have oils, and they tend to feel like very oily, but this one doesn't. It actually feels like a foundation, but this is like the you get the best of both worlds, right? Like oil and the right amount of pigment or foundation color, so you can have, you know, an even complexion. So I really like that. Another thing that I really like about the product is that, as you can see, it has a glass dropper, and one little pump will cover your entire face, so you're not wasting any product. So that's a really cool thing that I really liked about these foundations. And I think the packaging is really cute. And I'm going to go through the colors with you. So they sent me coffee, which is the color that I'm wearing. They also sent me hazelnut and sienna. I knew there was a sienna in here, but this is too dark for me. And chocolate. Too dark. So yeah, I really like this product. If you guys are into like bare skin but also want to hydrate your face and just have like a natural radiance, like this is a really great product. I do recommend it. I love it because, you know, it also lets your skin breathe, and the texture is just really, really nice. A few things to keep in mind also about this product, why it's actually really nice, is that it has SPF 15, which we all need that, okay? And it's anti-pollution complex. It's also enriched in plants, and it keeps your face hydrated. So if you want a product that's gonna keep your face, you know, hydrated and moisturized, this will do it for 24 hours. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some swatches of the colors, and I say you guys give it a try. I was really impressed with the product itself. Like I said, I've been wearing it as my daily wear for work, and I really like it because it's like one little drop and it covers my whole face. I don't need to add any more, and then I set it and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on like a easy 10-minute makeup routine for work. So, and I'm going to be using Clarins foundation, so make sure that you check that video out so you can see how I get ready in 10 minutes. So I'm really happy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini review on Clarins Skin Illusion Foundation.